Good morning, everyone. Jesse Webb, TradersPro. Decent little market rally again yesterday, and you can see we're just really continuing to see that strength. We've got a buy-sell ratio now that's kind of spiked up here, 7. So some real positive bullish breadth that's taking place here. If we look at direction alerts, we're still in the mildly bullish. Again, that overall bear market downtrend, that's kind of this churning out of this bottoming or potential bottoming process we've talked about a little bit, this massive long-term trend line. We're touching that now. So it's going to be interesting the next few days to see if some of this strength continues or if we start to see this sentiment start to be a contrarian type indicator where you're looking to do the opposite. One of the things that this indicator typically does is it will bottom when when sentiment is high like this. We haven't seen it, and this chart's a year time frame. We haven't seen it in a year. So we may see this either being continuation of the bullishness or creating some weakness here. We're getting towards not really overbought or oversold. Breadth is continuing to be strong. I feel like this is a bullish indicator where you're getting majority of the stocks in the S&P that are starting to trend higher. That's ultimately going to pull the market higher. We're not extreme on that at all. Sentiment, we are certainly extreme. So again, a little bit of precariousness here because we don't want to, I kind of don't want to trust this new uptrend until we get a little bit of confirmation, but that's starting to happen. Unless we get a real significant down day today or tomorrow, then that bullish trend just may continue to be carving out some new upside. One of the things I want you to look at today is in this sector list is basic material category. You've got 218 in here, and if you drop down and then start to look for some of the other groups in there, you're getting just a lot of strength here. The mining metals, really anything that's basic material, agri, tech, chemical stocks. Steel is the big one. So steel has been moving hard the last few days, and there's some good looking patterns here. Some of them are a little bit extended. We talked about CMC the other day, about right here where it was starting to break out. STLD also just about to break out, and new core still also looking at that breakout, a pretty strong move right here. So keep an eye on steel today. There are also some nice biotechs that are still looking to break out. There were a couple that I pulled in here to show the new buy list here. Let's scroll through this. Some oil stocks that are in there. Let me just refresh this, and we've got AKRO biotech that's looking strong, good, strong, solid update yesterday. AVO, that's obviously a buyout. When you see a pattern like this is just a stock buyout. So you get a gap and then it doesn't move anything until the ticker of the buying company takes it over entirely. Then it'll just be a flat trading pattern here. Don't steer clear of those just because they're not going to move anything. You can obviously see when it's doing this, it's just not going to move. Sometimes those still will pull into some of the scans. So IMVT, nice little retracement, pretty strong sell-off, and then just immediate buying right back up again. There was one, RXDX, a breakout, and then also AGYS. This is a computer tech stock. This pattern is a nice looking pattern when you have this uptrend, tight consolidation, and then a potential breakout. That one also looks like a possible breakout here shortly. I added a couple others. I forgot what they are already, though. Morning watch list. Let's go through and look at some of these. We've got, let's see, let me go to here, and then morning watch list. New core, those are all in there. MMX, basic material gold stock, long-term downtrend. You're seeing that still in some gold stocks. Nugget, which is the gold miner ETF, bullish, two times the direction of the gold miners. If you don't want to buy an individual gold stock, you can buy that ETF, which is going to buy the basket of the gold mining stocks. KDNY, medical drug stock, nice looking breakout pattern. Not quite a breakout pattern here, but you do have this uptrend, counter trend, confirmation, good solid up day happening right here. on that stock. And there was one, oh, this is the other one, WDH with this uptrend, and then you get this retracement, and then you get that confirmation bar here. Uptrend, counter trending, not doing much, still in that buy range. It dipped back into that hold the day before and then back up to buy. This is that trend profile that looks good. You're in an uptrend, you've got a strong rank 98, and it's giving you a confirmation bar. You can establish your risk parameters below that, meaning a stop loss in that location. Some good stuff to look at today. So if you don't have full access to the site, you can sign up with the link below. We look forward to having you. Have a great day today.